Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X8C, and today I will show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. To get started, you want to hold your power button and ignore Gemini. Select power off. And when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now in a moment when the device starts to boot up, you will see the logo, at which point you want to let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. Now once the device boots into the recovery mode, here you want to simply click on clear data and then wipe cache partition. This goes through a very quick cache wipe, and as you can see it's already finished, so we're going to select back, restart, and this will now bring us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.